Yo, what's up guys? So today is a very special vlog. So today is my graduation day and you are gonna go with me to the graduation. So first things first, need to put on this fit. So let's get to it. Let me put on this fit and then I'll show you how we look. Yeah, I'm kind of a bit shaky, you know. Anyways, that's the fit right there. Got a easy blazer right here. You can see I sewed it a bit over there, made it a bit shorter, so we're gonna work with that. Then this is the shirt that I have over here, nice green shirt. So I'll just toss this on. So I decided to not cut my hair because I'm on a journey here. On a growing journey, so don't criticize me for not looking fresh. I feel fresh. Just came out of the shower now. Alright! Broekie, ook een beetje kleiner gemaakt, kan je zien, over there and over there. But before we get there, the socks is the most important thing. The socks, let's put that on. Okay. The socks is on. Now we put on the pants. Okay, let's just stuck in this this vest over here. It's a lot of greenery that's happening over here. Greenery. Just look at this. So here we have it. We have the shirt in it. I put on this button last night. I'm gonna put on a tie though. And then this is the pants that I'm wearing. Here you can see I did this thing here with the pants, and then this side as well. But the idea with that is when I put the belt on, and then it flips, so it flips like that when I put the belt on. So rather of there being like a whole, you know, a thing that looks like that, I decided to do this, and then the belt will then just press that down. So I tested it out yesterday already and it works perfectly, so no stress over there. And then I have myself the earrings in. Yeah, the shoes I'm wearing are these grasshoppers. It's like a suede grasshopper, suede but not suede. So let's put that on there real quick. Okay, and already I feel 100%. Then I actually need to select the tie. I have this tie to like kill the colors. This is something you throw over your head. This is a tie as well, but I wore it to a event, so I don't know, you know, wear it again. Then this is one. This is like an old school tie. I like the colors. And then I have this green one, but I have so many greenery that's happening. You can see the room, alles groen. And then there's this one that also pops the color, but I think I wanna wear this green one, so it's for this one. It's me, who's gonna be if it ain't me? Oh baby. Sabazaz. from the stage now. Here we have it. Say bye. Say bye.
Zoe and Rick England. Let us also say halala to the 6 new doctors that we have in the house. It is that they have developed and now for as 80 bones the racket. Well done, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our formal proceedings, and I take this opportunity to say thank you for being part of this great event and making it special for the autumn graduating class of 2023. To the graduating class of 2023, please take a look on your left and the back of the hall and the front of the hall. And please give your parents, loved ones, and academics thank you. To all our graduates today, in celebration of your stellar achievements, we also want to implore you to go out into the world and serve as role models for true citizenship and patriotism. We acknowledge that we are living in challenging and troubled times, both here at home and abroad. However, you as an individual can make a significant difference in your community and indeed the country. Robert Frost, in his famous poem, eloquently alluded to the road not taken. In life, graduates, you will also be faced with this ancient dilemma when you will come to the proverbial two roads diverging into this forest we call life. One road is littered with ego, selfishness, victimhood, and doing just enough to get by, or indifference to the need of the less fortunate. It is the internal chase for material benefit, irrespective of the harm your quest might cause at your place of work, your loved ones, and indeed the broader society. The other road calls for an abiding commitment to honest hard work and diligence, self-improvement, ethical behavior, as well as a lifelong commitment to learning. It is the one less traveled by because it is not easy. It is hard. But believe me, if you choose this road, it will make all the difference and you will find fulfillment in your journey on this planet. If through your actions, you can leave the world a bit better, whether by putting a decent roof over the heads of your long-suffering parents or protecting the poor and the vulnerable, to know that even one life has breathed easier because you have lived is the ultimate measure of success. CPTU graduates, always strive to do what is right, and please always fly the CPUT flag aloft. I must commend the stakeholders who painstakingly planned this graduation ceremony. You have indeed made it special for all our students and their parents. Vice Chancellor, Professor Chris Nhlapo, thank you once again for your astute leadership amidst ever-growing challenges in the higher education sector in this country and beyond our borders. Thank you to the staff of the Office of the Registrar, Marketing and Communication Department, as well as Infrastructure Development and Facilities Management. Thank you to the rest of CPT staff.
By the power vested in me, I now dissolve this congregation of the Cape Peninsula University of Technology.
Amale de celo, baie rokke aan en die celo skoene in wat hy het. Daar's 'n pink bar, daar's 'n pink bar, daar's 'n pink bar.
Waar is het? Huh? Kijk That's family food. That's family now, modern family. So let's go to it. As you can see, I forgot to go to the barber.
Some days I cry. Wanted to kill my husband, but here I am today. Was er hier met dak? Staan bij de fietsen.
Ja, zijn de quality moet allerlei mensen hier staan, ja, is allemaal klaar. Hè.
This is the real reason we must take this trip. Tea.
Pada upo pa.
Carry Benny. Carry Benny. This moment is over, it's time to return.
Give me the plastic.
Yes. Could you return your stuff here? So even if there's no pockets here. Behind the scenes of graduation, graduate. Let's get our kids back.
Your name is?
Bryan.
Congratulations, Chair.
Thank you. The red win because I'm a teacher from today onwards.
Mom, Dad, we're gonna do
Wat zijn je? Mooi job of it. You're more than welcome to sit.
What up, Payat? I don't pay to study. I get paid to study. You open. Magunia, you saw Magunia?
But you can't take the cameras, must ask for permission.
Exactly.
Don't do that.
You see today I'm the man of the
You
moment.
must ask for permission.
How much is this pint?
I am not sure.
Or do you have a small water?
Just for vibes.
How much is this?
Vibes and vlogging.
How much is a small
I'm
water?
gonna check with the others too because I can smell something. But
Huh?
so we have ourselves our lunch now. Double banana chaperone. So it's time to enjoy this and I'll catch you guys next time.
Ja, dat is wie jij.